is up on YouTube. That is the best intro I've ever thought of, even though it's my first intro. So, there's that. Anyway, today, what I'm going to be doing is an assortment of things. Now, I'm going to blow some stuff up. Some stuff and things. And, yeah. Don't really have a plan. This looks cool. Interesting. That's not what I expected. Lame. Got this. I see this. Bit boring. Let's check this shit out. That worked. That did the job. Anyway, 1987 Ford Summer looking up. R. I don't even think this car go through this shit. This car go through the building.
We'll find out.
That almost killed me. That hurt. Now what? Airstrike. That sounds good. That's sick. Yeah, this is different last time I used it. Let's not use that again. At least if I use it, I should definitely be a solid distance away. I'm not that fat, bro. Let's calm down a bit. Alright. Airstrike. Where is it? This one. I'm not gonna put it on me. I'll go here. I computed. It's not like that, eh? I mean, it looks really cool. I'd nuke the place, but it would take a very, very long time to load. Let's do it anyway. Shockwave radius. Let's go. 60. Shockwave strength. That goes up a lot quicker. Let's go 430. Here we go. Oh, that's not good. Solid 3 FPS. Sorry, 5. So I reset it because I thought that would be the smarter idea to do. That doesn't make sense. Anyway, we could do a small scale nuke. Or I'll just use an airstrike because it's what works. That gets very laggy the more you use it. Hold on. And we're fine. That defies a lot of things. Yo, there's a boat. Yeah, there was a boat. I didn't realize there was a plane. Torch. I'll blow everything up. Such beautiful frame rate. Hey, at least this one calms down a bit. You do the nuke. It's just not. It does not. You can leave it a solid 25 minutes. Just doesn't. FPS does not come back. I'm gonna crash this car into the building now. Look, normally it'd be an object. That's not English. Normally it'd be an objective to these, but I low-key didn't want to do the objective. Sounds boring. I just chucked a bunch of mods on it. Yeah. Very realistic gearing. I mean, birds don't even have gears. It's not really. Let's blow up this wall. Lightning gun. No, I've already used that. Thermite cannon. Hey. That does absolutely nothing. This is from the airstrike. I won't give credit for that. Starts fire's pretty good. Vehicle. Yeah. There's just so many cars in this map. That's a horrible run up. Yeah, sick. So a whole ass car can't move. Interesting. Yeah, what if I... This isn't what I thought it was. Yeah, screw you too. Oh, it's got a truck. That is a truck. Holy shit. Now this will do some. This will do. This will do some. God, I thought it would have been funny to use that, but I should have just used the airstrike. But a lot more funny. What is that? Right. There we go. Oh. Anyway, I don't know why this is so blurry, but I'm not gonna tell you to like and subscribe. It'd be cool if you did, but yeah, this is an outro. Just gotta label it. Yeah.